What if you could study for 3 hours and actually feel good after? Most people fail, not because they're lazy, but because they don't know how to start. This video is here to help you lock in, focus up, and finally feel proud of your progress. You're scrolling again, and you know you should be studying. Right now, in this exact moment, you get to choose to move closer to your goals or drift further away. Small progress is still progress. You don't have to be extreme, just consistent. Your future self is watching you. The version of you that reached their dream career, that passed the test, that made it out. What would they want you to do right now? They'd want you to start. No pressure. Just start. You've got this. Just 25 minutes. Focus now. Scroll later. You didn't come this far to stop now. Stay consistent. Keep showing up. The results will follow. Need motivation like this every week? Subscribe and study with us.